SugarFreeAdvantage channel, your resource for healthy binge-free weight loss and healthy binge-free living. And today I want to introduce you to one of my favorite, most useful products in my kitchen. It's a little appliance called a SodaStream machine. And SodaStream machines make carbonated water for you, or bubbly water, or sparkling water, however you want to call it. And the reason I like SodaStream, and this is not a paid endorsement, this is just me telling you about this great little product that will make your life a little more delicious and a little easier if you use it. The reason I like it is because it's a great product. It produces delicious carbonated water. It's easy to use. It's much more affordable than buying carbonated water at the grocery store. And it's just so convenient. So, for example, if I was going to buy carbonated water at my grocery store, I would probably be buying Polar Seltzer Mandarin Orange. I love it. Another great product. I really have bought this, tons of this. And if I buy this at Walmart, which is the cheapest resource for Polar Seltzer water, it would cost me 88 cents for one of these. I drink 4 liters a day at least of my carbonated water. I drink a liter in the morning, I drink a liter in the afternoon, I drink a liter in the evening, and I always have a liter at my bedside. So that's at least 4 liters every single day, 28 a week. That would cost me quite a bit of money at 88 cents a bottle versus the cost of a SodaStream beverage. If I had one refill of carbon cost me $14.95, and they guarantee that you'll get at least 60 liters out of it. So that would be $52.80 or 25 cents a piece compared to 88 cents a piece. 25, 88, oh, let's see, what's better? So even though this is a great product, this is an equally great product, and it's 1/3 the price. So I really like it. I actually get more than the 60 liter minimum that they guarantee. I get between 75 and 80 liters, which drops the price down even lower to 20 cents a liter. 20 cents, 88. What do I want to do? Plus, you know, with these, you have to check them out and load them into your car and unload them out of your car and find a place to store them and take them to the recycling center. This, all I have to do is find a refill center, and that's pretty easy to do because most major department stores carry SodaStream supplies and refills. You can go to Walmart, you can go to Kohl's, you can go to Target, you can go to Bed Bath & Beyond, and it's not listed on their website, but in my part of the world, I can even get them at Staples. So it's really easy to get refills. SodaStream also has a program where you can do mail-ins. A mail-in system. I haven't used it myself because it's so convenient for me to just use the stores where I live, but you can do it. The biggest expense is your startup expense. You know, it's going to cost a little bit of money to get started up. This is my old ratty SodaStream machine that I've had for at least 12 years. It doesn't look so beautiful anymore, but it still works. It never breaks. It performs. And I love it. I haven't felt compelled to go get a pretty new one. But if you're getting started up, you'll have to buy a unit, and you'll have to buy some bottles, and you'll have to have at least 1 canister of carbon. So SodaStream has all kinds of deals on their website. The cheapest one is $80.99, and if you give them your email address, you can get a 10% discount. I've seen 20% discounts in other places. You have to shop around, but you know, the worst case scenario is it's going to cost you 81 bucks to get in. Their packages go up to, let's see, $116.99 and $143.99, but that's it. After that, it's just the cost of these refills. And if you're a seltzer lover, it's just so much more practical and affordable. You won't be sorry that you did it. I love carbonated water. It is a treat throughout my day. I don't drink alcohol. I don't drink sodas. I don't drink juices. All I drink is either plain water or carbonated water. And the bubbles make my life happy. Who isn't happy with more bubbles and sparkles in their life? I really enjoy it. It's like a treat to me. And it really helps me to stay on track because I feel like I'm giving myself something special. And so that's why it works for me. I just adore it. I hope that you'll consider it, and it might work for you too, as just an assisting tool to add a little joy to your life. It's really easy to use. I'm going to show you how to do a refill. This is what a refill looks like. It comes with one of these wrappers. You just take the wrapper off, take the cap off, and you turn your SodaStream machine around and screw it in. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and it's in nice and tight. That's all it took, easy peasy. Then I take my bottle of water. I fill it up to the line that SodaStream gives me. Here's my liter of water from them, and I stick it in this little tube and screw that in. Trying to do it so you can see what I'm doing. It usually isn't this complicated. I was just trying to give you a good view. There we go. Then I've got my bottle in, my carbon in. I just press the button at the top of the machine and wait for the noise. Once the noise comes, I know that my bottle is filled with enough carbon. I release it. Oh, I hear the gas. Unscrew it. Put the cap on. Voila, that's it. Easy peasy. I love it. Hope you'll consider it. It just really makes my day. Again, this is not a paid endorsement. This is just a tool that I use to make my life just a tiny bit more enjoyable. And I think it'll work for you too. Please consider it. Bye for now. Hey, smash that like button if you like this content. And if you really liked it, hit the subscribe button. We'd love to have you as part of our Sugar Free Advantage family. Bye.